If you need a break from your typical workout routine, now's the perfect time to head outside.
That's right. We have our sneakers on for this one. We're going to make sure.
Oh, that. Who are you?
Me?
I was getting to that. I was doing my job and reading from the little teleprompter thing. So we're going to make sure you're making the most of your outdoor workouts. So for this, the guy to help us, Peloton instructor, in front of the show, Rad Lopez.
Hello, Rad.
Welcome back.
Happy to be here. Happy to be here.
Well, first time in the new digs.
I know, it's incredible.
What do you think
it
of the
looks
new spot?
incredible. I was watching you this morning
Me?
at around 8 a.m. You were at the desk.
That's true.
And I was like, wait a minute, that looks different.
That looks new.
I was like, that looks new.
Look at him.
That
Just
looks
for
new.
you.
I walked in and it smells new. It's like,
It's got the new car smell.
Yeah.
It's the new set smell.
It's a new pair of sneakers smell.
Oh, I love that
come
smell.
on.
That's on brand.
Come on.
Okay.
That's on brand.
The weather is, it keeps threatening to get nicer and nicer. Any tips for folks when they want to head outside to work out?
Make sure you're wearing, like I was just talking about shoes, make sure you wear some comfortable shoes, some very supportive shoes.
Yeah.
Take some water with you, a towel, make sure you're looking okay out there.
Sure.
Stay hydrated. And pick a place that you like. Pick a place that you're going to enjoy,
Yeah.
Preferably one with some props.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, how do
yes.
we just take what's around us and turn it into a workout equipment?
You can use a bench. You can use a bench to do your
dips?
tricep dips, right? Your push-ups,
See?
all that, right? You can hike your foot up, do some lunges on the bench.
Ooh, that hurts already.
Okay. Do you have favorite spots in this fine city of
I
ours?
do. I have a bunch. I mean, I remember.
Not that we want people to stalk you while you're working out outside.
But we're going to stop.
We are 100%.
I'll give them my old stomping grounds.
The Heights.
No.
Donde?
So I used to
Oh,
run.
in the Bronx, that's right.
Yeah, I used to run on the west side of the Bronx Zoo. As a teenager, I used to take it was a mile out and a mile back, and that was it. That was it.
That's mile
around
out,
the
a mile
Bronx
back.
Zoo.
Okay, all
But
right.
there are plenty of parks
casual,
out.
too.
You can do Central Park, you can Cortland Park, you can do Prospect Park,
just the Lower
Astoria
East Side.
Park. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shall
Ocean
we-
Meadow Parkway.
Shall we get
Ocean
in
Parkway?
to the physical?
We like to flank you.
Okay.
We're in a Peloton video.
You have some exercises for us to do today.
I do some exercises that we can do together outside,
Okay.
since we're talking about running.
Yeah.
Usually just to get the blood flowing, just to get your
Yeah.
body moving. I like to run in place.
Okay.
This is pretty easy.
I
Get
have a
you ready
mic
to
pack,
go.
so I'm not really running.
You hold on to.
but-
Look at your
I have
bicep, though.
a-
That's nice.
Oh, mine.
You.
Oh,
I
sheesh.
was telling her about those shoulders.
Ice,
Those
please.
shoulders.
Okay.
sculpted.
After that.
So
we can
this
get into
gets this gets your heart rate up.
Yes.
Get your heart rate up to
get your
prepare
body-
for the rest of the business.
You're warming up.
Yep.
For
And
your
then-
walk, your jog, your run. You can do some jumping jacks.
hold
jumping
up.
jacks. Watch those arms.
I got to watch the mic packs now.
I know.
Another way to do this is by just stepping it out here.
Oh, that's
Step
the
out.
regression.
Yeah,
Modify.
step it
Okay.
out.
Some of us
Step
have
it
bad
out.
knees.
Another great way to do this is by stepping it out.
And
then my favorite to strengthen those legs, we have a unilateral, which is just a word for one side at a time.
Okay.
You're gonna step that right leg back, get
Andale.
into a little jumping lunge.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, another way to do this is by just removing
The hop?
jump. Yes, by removing it.
Now, should the knee
moly.
ever touch the ground?
If you want it to.
A
It's
tiny
all
little
about-
kiss.
Just
Yeah.
kiss the ground.
Just a little-
Make it
Yeah.
personal if you want
A
to.
beso. Yeah.
And then you switch,
So
other side.
you gave us all these warm-ups. How long should someone work out outside? So they're not in a gym, they're not necessarily lifting heavy weights. What's the appropriate amount of time?
It's personal. I think
Yeah.
it's personal, right? For someone like me, I may go out and do 3 miles.
Yeah.
Right. The next person might do 7. The next
Right.
person might do 1.
Yeah.
It's personal. Personalize it to you. Make sure that you're comfortable out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're going to go out there, you're going to run, you're going to find a random bench along the way, you're going to put your leg up, do some squats,
Yeah.
throw some
push-ups.
push-ups, continue your run, stop, do some more, just make a whole thing
Just
out of
a
it.
little
It's like a
plank.
class.
I
But
like
you
that.
you don't always have to work out. You can do meditation. Just make sure it's in a safe place. In a safe place where you can close your eyes.
Not in the middle of the
meditate,
West Side Highway.
No. We're
do
gonna
some yoga.
Brad, it's always nice to see you.
Always,
Thank you
always.
so much.
Thank
We're
you
going to
so much
post
for
all
having
these
me.
tips on our website
On for
at
Cleanse.
pix11.com. Should we do some? What should we do next? Push-ups?
Is this
I
some
think we're-
burpees? You love burpees.
Oh, you know what,
Come
Brad?
on,
We'll be
come
right
on.
back. You
Marisol's
ain't
going to get those
right.
in the break.
I hate burpees.